Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Walmart account. Before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's find out how. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar type in walmart.com and press enter. You will be taken into the official website of Walmart. Now look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it and click on sign in or create account. If you don't have an account yet, you can watch our video on how to create a new account. But for now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your email address and then click on continue. You will be asked to verify your identity through different tasks. After you complete the task, you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password and then click on the sign in button. And now you have successfully signed in to your Walmart account. You can now start browsing for items and start shopping immediately. So that is how you can sign in to your Walmart account. If you find this video interesting, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with more videos just like this one. Thank you for watching and we will see you on the next video.